మీడియాతో రాహుల్ గాంధీ మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం.
Package to our small and medium businesses, get money into the hands of the poorest Indians, have a strategy for our migrants, and start preparing properly for the opening of this lockdown. So that is what I wanted to discuss with you. Feel free to ask me whatever questions you like.
सर, बहुत सारे प्रश्न साथियों के आए हैं. मैं एक एक करके उन दोस्तों को बोलूंगा कि वो अपने प्रश्न पूछें. पीटीआई न्यूज एजेंसी से संजीव चोपड़ा जी, कृपया अपना प्रश्न पूछिए.
Thank you, Randeep ji. Morning, Rahul ji. I hope you are doing good.
Well, I'm doing okay. I wouldn't say I'm doing good, but I'm doing okay.
Good. Rahul ji, we are in the middle of lockdown 3, and various experts across the world, including the AIIMS director here, have said that the peak will come sometime in June and July. And, since the lockdown is ending on May 17 and with new infections rising, what do you think should be the government's decision on May 17 and what should guide it? And since you said the Congress has also made some suggestions in this regard, and some states which are Congress ruled have said that they will not open their borders till the time the situation improves. So what is your view on that?
The central thing the government needs to do is it needs to now give a little bit of transparency on its actions. We need to understand when they open, what is the criteria for that opening. So what are the boxes that they want ticked off before they actually start to open? Number one. And I think it's important that the government tells the people of India that these are the criteria that we are going to be using. And if these criteria are met, then we are going to open. Second, we simply cannot continue without providing support to the people who are suffering as a result of this lockdown. And the thing that is most important to understand that the lockdown is not simply a switching on a key and getting rid of the lockdown. Lockdown requires number of things to happen. It requires a psychological change. Currently, the disease in India is seen as a very, very dangerous disease. And it is true. The disease is dangerous for certain groups of people. It is absolutely dangerous for older people. It is absolutely dangerous for people with diabetes, heart disease, hypertension, chronic infection, lung infection. But other than that, it is not a dangerous disease. So we are going to have to make a psychological change in the mind of our people. Currently, the people are very scared of the disease. The government, if it wants to open up, it has to turn this fear into a sense of confidence. Otherwise, you can open up and people won't go out. Finally, I'd like to say that the opening up is a transition. It is not an on-off switch, it is a transition. And you have to have a strategy for opening up. And this is what I said in my last press conference, and also I mentioned to the Prime Minister in my letter that please, this is not an on-off switch. This is a massive transition that is required. It will require coordination between state government, central government, DM, everybody, and most important, the people of India. That is the challenge in front of the government now. And let me tell you, it's not a trivial thing. It is a serious challenge, and I would request the government that they view state governments as partners. They view district magistrates as their partners, and that they do not centralize the decision making.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rahul ji. The next question comes from Siddharth of ANI. Also, I will request Rajdeep Saradesai ji to also ask his questions since they seem to be related. Siddharth ji, first you go ahead since you are younger. let's give you the opportunity first.
Now, how come you're giving younger people opportunity first?
Uh,
Normally we have seniors who we give.
No, sir. That's what.
Rajdeep ji,
It's okay, sir. It's okay.
Senior, he's older.
It's the age of the young.
नमस्कार सर।
नमस्कार।
सर आपसे यही पूछना चाह रहा था, आपने पहले भी बात कही कि लॉकडाउन एक पॉज बटन है और 45 दिन हो गए, लोग सड़कों पर आ रहे हैं, साल की महिला को कंधे पर लेकर निकल पड़ता है, ट्रेन से कट गए लोग, जो मालगाड़ी से रेलवे ट्रैक पर लोग चल रहे हैं, साइकिल पर लोग निकल रहे हैं। क्या आपको लगता है कि इस लॉकडाउन की स्ट्रैटेजी जो थी या लॉकडाउन का पर्पस था वो डिफीट हो रहा है और लोग विश्वास खो बैठे हैं सरकार में? क्या यही वजह है कि लोग सड़कों पर निकल रहे हैं? पहला सवाल मेरा। दूसरा सवाल ये कि आपने एक सीरीज शुरू करी है जहां पे आप तमाम एक्सपर्ट से बात कर रहे हैं, उसका पर्पस क्या आप रखने वाले हैं और किस तरीके से उसको जो सजेशंस या जो फीडबैक आपको मिल रहा है उसको बता रहे हैं?
Sir, can I also ask Rajdeep ji, because they are related questions, sir.
Why don't you give Rajdeep like his own space? Let me answer that. Rajdeep can have his own.
Sure.
देखिए, ये क्रिटिसाइज करने का टाइम नहीं है और मैं क्रिटिसाइज नहीं करूंगा। जो जिस सिचुएशन में हम अब हैं उस सिचुएशन से हमें आगे बढ़ना है और निकलना है एक प्रकार से। लॉकडाउन हुआ नहीं हुआ वो सब ठीक है, उसकी जगह है, वो हो गया है, वो पास्ट में।